to know you're there beside me. And though I slip, I know your promise remains. You said you'd never leave. Now all the gold I do not want, and all the silver I don't need. But Lord, all that I ask is that I be more like thee. I know I may be poor and all my clothes torn through, but if I could have one wish, I would wish to be like you. Lord, you never complained. You kept showering me with your grace. And I know one day I will be with you, right by your side. But until that day, Lord, I know that I need more of you in my life.
I wanna be like you, talk like you. When I sing, Lord, I want it to reflect you in my life. Lord, I know that I need the everlasting Father.
Well, I remember the days I started to slip away. I lacked in my word, didn't even want to get down on my knees and pray. I slipped back into my old life, that's what I did. I thought that I was high riding in this life of sin. As I was chilling with my boys and my girl by my side, and my homies all around me trying to get me high. Never cared about the people that I hurt, because I knew that my priorities came first. But then my mama started to cry herself to sleep at night, asking the Father up above just to change my life. I never thought twice about the love she gave to me, but if I would've lost it, how sad I'd be. That's why I thank the Lord in heaven for the change in my heart, and for taking me out of sin and setting me apart. And to this day the Lord has brought me up into another level, and until it returns I'm gonna be stomping on the devil.